So get out of your head and get swept away. Because a name could never prepare you for this real thing.
Hi, I'm Claire Ackerman, Realtor with the Ackerman Team and North & Co. And today I'm going to show you everything Tempe Town Lake has to offer, which most people don't even realize the amount of events, attractions, and everything that you can actually do outdoors here. Let's go check it out.
Oh, that's a long time to wait.
Hi, Claire.
Hey,
Are you ready for this boat ride on this gorgeous Tempe Town Lake?
I sure am. This is Michelle Grenning. She's an agent on the Ackerman team. We are actually going to go show you a little bit about what you can do activity-wise on the lake. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Baby, come, won't you stay? I got plans for you, don't be late. Come away with me for the day. They can say what they want, just let them hate. Oh, it's just you and me. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. This love is taking over me.
We are sitting right in the middle of the lake, and there is so much that you'll see as we've gone around the lake between paddleboarding. You can rent a pontoon boat, you can rent different paddle boats, you can even go fishing. The city stocks the lake, and we're just basically steps from ASU. There's a ton of shopping, a ton of restaurants, basically big corporations that align the lake that are bringing in a lot of jobs and relocation and so much that adds to the valley. And you've even got high-rise luxury living already here. So between Tempe Town Beach Park, swan paddling boats, I mean, what more fun could you have here right in Tempe?
Before we get too old, bring down the money, the silver and gold. We got some things.
All right, now that we got a little workout on the paddle boat, let's go check out one of our newest listings in South Scottsdale. Let's go.
Let's do it.